Contradiction. Whether you know it or not determines our station. So come once, liberate our nation. Speak of what you live, not your pretension. So if you think contradiction, you will speak contradiction. You will live in contradiction. So, and if you is contradiction, we will see contradiction. You will be contradiction galore. We come back sometime. Rockers and the people mind, just like ancestral times. Democracy tonight. So come once, with your glorified mission. Preach a witness you did. What is the substance? Cause youths, damn, not care about your religion. Listen, all they know is to change the situation. So if you think contradiction, you will speak contradiction. You will live in contradiction. So, and if you is contradiction, we will see contradiction. You will be contradiction galore. We come back sometime. But rockers and the people mind, just like ancestral times.
of Zion, more than the dwelling of Jacob. His foundation is in the holy mountains of Jerusalem. He is the root of King David, yeah, the root of King Solomon, conquering and to conquer. Jah is the Alpha and Omega, yeah. Jerusalem, 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 here I come, yeah. Jerusalem, 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 Jah Jah throne, yeah. Great things has been spoken, was spoken of His Majesty from the great tribes of Israel. Down to the temple of Mount Zion, we give praises unto the King, yeah, the ruler of all creation. We give honor and all the glory. To Him we sing a song, yeah. Jerusalem, 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 here I come, yeah. Jerusalem, 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 Jah Jah throne, yeah. Mr. Jerusalem, the city of the Most High, yeah. Come follow me, giving thanks and praises to the King of Israel. He is mighty, conquerable, name is Holy Emmanuel, free. Moses from the Pharaoh, Daniel in the lion dens. Listen, no in a Babylon, only a few been chosen. Those is worthy to have faith in the Most High, yeah. Message I send as a messenger to do His work. With your love and grace just surrounding us. Come follow me. Who is worthy to open the book thereof? Yeah. Who is worthy to open the book of the seven seals? Who is worthy to open the book thereof? Yeah. Who is worthy to open the book of the seven seals?
Hear this.
And I know how things are going on earth, you know. I and I know how things get run on earth, you know. Woke up this morning and give Jah praise. See how many people are dying from AIDS. Feed the sweetest joy, still no remedy found or trace. Now they want come give Africa the blame. I and I know how things are going on earth, you know. I and I know how things get run on earth, you know. I and I know how things are going on earth, you know. I and I know how things get run on earth, you know. No, we not dumb. No, I know exactly from where them false prediction come. No say wicked man can enter Jah Jah kingdom. Them last resting place will stay 6 feet underground. Why? Teach the youth the truth. Don't leave away some chapters, but tell them from the roots. Say you fi kill and shoot. Oh Lord, eh. Na 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 na. I know how things are going on earth and now. Eh. I know how things get run on earth and now. Eh. I know how things are going on earth and now. Eh. I know how things are going on earth and now. It's not the color of your skin, cause we all are one human race. So you better go from boy, I'll just say that no man a make mistakes. Yes, we roll like a lion. Problems are be solved, so we fun bad intentions. We not hesitate 1 second. Follow their teachings and their lesson. Yes, we know how things are going on earth. I know how things get run on earth and now. Yeah. I know how things are going on earth and now. Oh, now I know how things get run on earth and now.
And a great smoke arose out of me. The smoke of the furnace turned the sun into darkness. Yeah. Your fire will be burning, wicked blood it will be burning. Then there's no time to repent, cause it will be dead at judgment. Yeah. God open the bottomless pit, and the great smoke arose out of it. God open the bottomless pit. Yeah. The great smoke arose out of it. The smoke of the dreaded furnace turned the burning moon into darkness. Yeah. King Alpha's lightning will be striking, and Vatican City will be falling.
Oh yeah, first and the last,
Rockers reggae music.
Jah is the Alpha and Omega, yeah. First and the last, oh yeah. Alpha and Omega. First and the last, hey. Jah is the Alpha and Omega, yeah. First and the last, oh yeah. Jah is the living light, who rules over high creation, manifest in I and I, who proclaim His word throughout the nation. World without last end. Jah is the beginning without no end. In Jah's words do I abide. Jah, cause I live in continents to shine. First and the last, eh.
Jah is the Alpha and Omega, yeah. First and the last, oh yeah. Jah is the Alpha and Omega. First and the last, yeah. Jah is the Alpha and Omega, yeah. First and the last, oh yeah. Jah is the Alpha and Omega, yeah. Conqueror. Jah is dreadful amongst the heathen, written in the book of life. Yeah, all governments shall be on his shoulder. First and the last, eh. Jah is the Alpha and Omega. Yeah, first and the last. Oh yeah, Jah is the Alpha and Omega. Yeah. First and the last, hey. Jah is the Alpha and Omega, yeah. First and the last, oh yeah. Jah is the Alpha and Omega, yeah. Jah is the Jah prove I innocence, jury find I guilty. Jah prove I innocence, Jah prove them, yeah. Jah prove them, Jah prove them, Jah prove them. Jah is my defense. Jah prove I innocent, His love will conquer them and the evil adversaries, yeah. Yes, Jah is my defense. Jah prove I innocent, yes, love will conquer them and the evil adversaries. Live up. Live up now. Live up. Live up now. Hey. Oh, the jury find I guilty. Jah prove I innocent. Jury find I guilty. Jah prove I innocent. Live up now. Live up now. Live up now. You think that put all us down, pushing us around. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. But one day the table will turn and you'll be wearing the frown. Remember that.
and the schemers, big timers and dreamers out there. Them no know say is money run this music business. That make it a rat game. So they keep criticizing, backbiting, ego fighting. Y'all a little piece of Babylon, wealth and fame. Jah love with the good words, they will always stand. Jah love the good words, from the hands of a righteous man. Jah love with the good words, they will always stand. The good words, from the heart of a righteous man. Big label say this song gon' sell, about a one drop flop and a pure dead stock. Reggae is a thing that cannot be diluted, polluted, corrupted. Not it, don't be discouraged if you never get discovered by them. Don't forget about the stone that the builder refused to use. Man, keep doing the good works, they will always stand. Jah love the good works, from the hands of a righteous man. Jah love with the good works, they will always stand. Just the good works, from a clean and a righteous man.
Shouldn't cause confusion, no. Shouldn't cause no confusion. Denominations, different denominations. Shouldn't be a problem, yeah. Listen, yeah. shouldn't cause confusion. Yeah,
shouldn't cause no confusion.
Denomination,
Different denomination
shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, oh yeah. Some committing suicide for what they believe, yeah. Killing people innocently, but tell me what do they achieve, yeah. Everyone should have that right to choose their destiny, yeah. Different opinions, many opinions, but we should never disagree. Oh no, yeah. But we should never disagree. Oh no, yeah. Tread never disagree. Different denominations, yeah. Shouldn't cause confusion. No,
Shouldn't cause no confusion.
denomination.
Different denomination.
Eyes on the battle goes on, eyes on the battle goes on, eyes on the battle goes on.
Stereo music.
Say life nowadays is getting rougher. To survive in this time, man, you have it tougher. Why? Life nowadays is getting much rougher. It seems the more you try, enough time it's the more you suffer.
Listen.
Well, finding a job it ain't easy, it's so hard. Enough people have the content we collect welfare in a them yard. And many discouraged, seems like they're getting nowhere. Thinking about where they are and the struggle to get there. But you have to hold on to your faith, my brethren. Hold on to your strength, my sister. For this is only the beginning of the ending. So the battle goes on between good and evil. The battle goes on between good and evil. Lord, and what a whole heap of trouble. No make one up and make it you and stumble. Makes no sense to fumble. Ain't no time to grumble. Well, enough mother and them picnic can't get away for leave. Baby father still can't get to work, so there's not much to give. Say stress and depression come like a permanent stay. All drugs and alcohol, them only means of escape. So many of my brethren, them sitting in a jail cell. Well, the victims of a racial profile, now them living in the hell. And many wondering what the future holds.
Lord, it looks so cold, but you have to hold on to your faith, my brethren. Hold on to your strength, my sister. But this is only the beginning of the ending. So the battle goes on between good and evil.
It's so hard to face the world today. Your brand new car about to take away. Say you can't go on because you can't afford vacation. On a Florida Keys, in a cottage by the sea, where the rainbow meets its end. You say it can't get no worse. No, it can't get no worse. Life's rough, I know. And your home is on the market. Well, your boss, he was a no-show. Things kinda tight, so you're glad you're not living right. Don't have a thing to give to the poor. Oh, you got a little, but you still want more. You say it can't get no worse. No, it can't get no worse. But in a sufferer's life, the youth them can't find no dinner, and a poor old clothes them dress up in a sufferer's life. When people go to bed with no shelter, them can't find no love in a sufferer's life. Politicians them now flex right, them only sponsor the fight. Sufferer's life, sufferer's life. The water pressure low. Seems like things are really moving slow. Them cut your power supply, cause your light bill was much too high. You're like a king losing a crown. Oh, with no money to spend, you've got to settle down. So you can't get no worse. No, it can't get no worse. But in a sufferer's life, the youth them can't find no dinner. A pure old clothes them dress up in a sufferer's life. Poor people go to bed with no shelter. Them can't find no love in a sufferer's life. Politicians them now flex right. Them only a sponsor the fight. Sufferer's life, sufferer's life. Things could be better, things could be worse, much worse. Take a look around, maybe you'll break the curse. Yet we live and let live. Why must the sufferers die? Oh, sometimes I cry, but the youth don't make try in a sufferer's life.
I took a split this morning off the international herb. It make I feel so groovy, man, the international herb. It gives me inspiration in music, man, the international herb. Listen, so that is why I can't refuse it, man, the international herb. My brethren, I love it and I love it, man, the international herb. The span of my life is not above it, man, the international herb. Hey! It's good for meditation, man, the international herb. it, man. International herb. Take a draw and don't you doubt it, man. International herb. Listen, for if you go to Africa, you will see it, man. International herb. Run up by England and you see it too. International herb. Step by Bermuda and you see it, man. International herb. Grand clear. I tell you what. International herb. Man, I just can't do without it, man. International herb. Come from Taiwan, type and sticky. International herb. Colombian style, it rapping back to international herb. School children, they love it and they love it. International herb.
Ancient of days. And gather the momentum, stone cold fireball. Stone cold in defense of the most high world, good God. Got the earth as she feed the reward. Them chop down the trees to kill us, the youths and these guys. Chat if it's a chat. What's the economics? In a truth and rights. What's the fascination with them bright city lights? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't think you know me. I from a mountainous plateau, all of Zion is a vibe. What is your wicked story? What is your wicked story? I know, well it fit, please, yeah. From make them a back up on me temper. Rock it like a launch you back past arena. What a ignorant of danger gun pose imposter, yeah. Well, who have you known, sir? Your providence, I don't make you still around, yeah. You came down, good step up. You won't never support a champagne car. You won't never support a champagne car. Yeah. Be back Babylon away. Simply reserve the right, keep even the cold. The whole back of bush and the ship shape and holding tight. Two negative sign is a equal sign. Multiply double negative, you get a positive. Mostly all for sure all the time. Them have the massive under the mathematics. Spellbound and I play with their mind. Boost up your evil and bamboos them blind. Yeah. But again, like I said, I don't think you know me. I from a mountainous plateau, all of Zion is a vibe. What is your wicked story? Your wicked story. It is please, what make them not back up their arm from me temper? Rocket a launch you back past gorilla. What a ignorant of danger gun pose imposter, yeah. Why who have you known, sir? Your providence alone you sit down, yeah. Use James Brown good step up. You won't never cup out a champagne car. Mouth can talk.
Babylon, oh, your shining place would be due. While at the root of Babylon, 'cause you see that you're getting stronger. Never try to mislead the people in a different way. A chain reaction said we need a good vibration. Economical pressure raining all over the place. How could it be this way for you and I to have life so warm?
say we a go voila. With them butter I go melt in the sun. So much days of slavery down here on the land, yeah. Say the wickedness can't done, yeah. Oh, what a strain on the little man. Well, at the root of Babylon, was good light and days will be due. Well, at the root of Babylon, they're getting much stronger. How long? Well, at the root of Babylon, your shining days will be due. Well, at the root of Babylon, getting much stronger. How long? They pretend to be pure and true, but when you check it, them I use you, stealing all the diamonds and gold. Some are risk them soul, some are sell out them own. Why you and I can't unite in this time, yeah? In Africa, we stay far from one another. Remember when we Jaja say, yeah, never keep a good man down. Cause when you bless,
you're gonna do
the rest. Can't really digest. Eden a try to hold us down in a Babylon, but them can't really do, yeah. We are fight with all our might. Every day for black people unite, yeah. And that's the problem. Who are solve them? Dirty Babylon, we have a blood them. We have a hope them. We have a friend them. No.
I will never forget. stole I identity. Hey. Ruled by the evil society. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Robbed I from my history. But Rasta I go eat them with roots and ideology. Whoa, whoa, hey, my roots I will never forget. Hey, strictly roots I will never forget. Hey.
Emancipation, they say, will never come. Will never come.
Stereo music.
Is doomed to die. Down in a Babylon with war and strife, grief and the terror and the tongues of hate. This I know will soon abate. For I have seen the land of my father in my visions. From the hills of captivity's plains, yes, I the seed of a righteous one will someday declare, for I this land, for my brothers and my sisters, and my brethren in the yoke of oppression, for the child who only knows of fate and destruction. Deliverance will come, come, come. Deliverance will come. In this year time it will come, come, come. Deliverance will come. Yeah, yeah. No more visitation. Now I know where I must stand. Yeah, oh yeah. For I have seen the land of my father in my visions. Yeah, from the hills of captivity's plains. Yes, I the seed of a righteous one will someday declare, for I this land. The men called wise, they all laugh at me. My captivity and bondage, all they can see. Emancipation, they say, will never come. Whoa. Your destiny is in Babylon and not in Beulah land. Beulah land, but I know the weary, destitute and scorned. Yeah, yeah.
I am going to run up to Rastafari. Gonna keep running down. Rastafari call all of his sheep from different walks of life, race, color or creed. Rastafari love the poor and the meek. Behold your children, children of Selassie I. Never you lose your faith. Whether you do or don't have your locks on your head. Children of Selassie I. With your green, gold and red. Whether you do or don't have locks on your head. Children of Selassie I. Never you lose your faith. Whether you do or don't have your locks on your head. Children of Selassie I. With your green, gold and red. Rastafari is head of all heads. Yes, hear these words of history. We're come to sing for humanity. And then I come to set the record straight. Burning on those who try to mislead your race. Yes, remember before Rome accepted Jesus Christ, it was 12 disciples and all the apostles there you find. They had to hide in hills and caves just to get the word of Christ to bring humanity to fly. Did you know Rome was responsible for the death of over 60 million Christians? Did you know Ethiopia is the ancient monarchy, the first to accept accept Christianity, so children of Selassie I. Never you lose your faith, whether you do or don't have your locks span your head. Children of Selassie I. Wave your green, gold and red, whether you do or don't have locks span your head. Children of Selassie I. Never you lose your faith, whether you do or don't have your locks span your head. Children of Selassie I. Wave your green, gold and red, Rastafari is head of all heads. Yes.
But that's how things are go. Yeah, the bamboo station broadcast in line.
That's how the things are go. That's how the things are go. That's how the story flows. That's how the story flows. They say that I say so. They say that I say so. Liberation music, no joke. Liberation music, no joke. Wow. Can you keep your head when everyone is losing theirs? Can you keep your head when they all blame you instead? Can you keep your head when you're pushed in the corner? Good times show smiles, hard times show character. But that's how things are going. That's how the things are going. That's how the story flows. That's how the story flows. They say that I say so. They say that I say so. Liberation music no joke. Liberation music no joke. Up in small. Well, this man tell that man, but this man a fax man, and that man tell the next man. So the next man hear confusion, and confusion make a divide go sour. And no potential it gets sucked like blood. Sesame Street big time up at shop. Up at shop. But when life like them damn go. But that's how things are going. That's how the things are going. That's how the story flows. That's how the story flows. They say that I say so. They say that I say so. Liberation music no joke. Liberation music no joke.
Step back and look, so me overs the works of the unjust, and it are the same works of the claim to be righteous, who always fight fuss, spread germs like dust. My brain might bust, cause them are the same one who fight against the one them who taught us. Know where them brought us, everyone in a constant fuss. Life of a guy to know with mind full of rust. Them claim them know what them talking about, so you think so that them just turn around, them stab you in the back, so now who can you trust? Never in the flesh, because the flesh do lust. Not only after people, but also the cold rush. What bring about negative feelings like say when man get jealous? Can't think for ourselves, so we rather go with what man tell us. If we do not commit to them religion, them say hell bound for us. If we are the one with no future, then why them envy us? Why them envy us? Listen.
Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey. Whoa, 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 hey. Now the way things are going today, I'm not sure to see tomorrow, hey. But my faith is strong. I put my trust in the Lion. No Jaja gave us this life. We love amongst us, saying, not the way things are going. Hey. Mankind is so divided. Rebels so watch us, yeah. World free up your people, yeah. From Babylon mentality, yeah. Hey. Serious time, serious time. Time is getting drained. Serious time, serious time. The time is getting drained. Now just say to the people, look out for the signs of time, revelation, prophecy it got to reveal. Evil forces surrounded us every day. So be aware, children. Hey, don't be careless with yourself. So watch the things what you do, and watch the things that you say. Hey, so be aware, children. Be aware, children. Don't be careless with yourself. Yeah. Watch the things what you do, and watch the things what you say. Hey, rebel soldiers, yeah, working for His Majesty, yeah. Come to free up your people, yeah, from Babylon mentality. Hey, rebel soldiers, yeah, working for His Majesty. We come to free up your people, yeah, from Babylon mentality. Hey, serious time, serious time. Time is getting drained. Serious time, serious time. The time is getting drained. Serious time, serious time. Time is getting drained. Serious time, serious time. The time is getting drained.
Oi, see them now, see the moon all of us, searching for themselves cause them lost. Oh Lord, I rise up to heal the sick and raise the dead from the wickedness of this world. Flesh corrupt because the lust of their heart got them face downwards in a mess. Yes, annihilating the laws of nature. In wickedness do they all take pleasure. When will they see that the sign of the time is a coming in? Oh Lord, I see blood shedding on the city, the whole place under siege, with fire trucks and ambulance and the sounds of police sirens. They say they serve and protect, but what they project and what they invest is what manifests. They have the people living make-believe, and on wickedness do they cleave. I rise up to see the wicked man go down in a burning flames of fire. I sit up in the hills and meditate with my chalice load of fire, refraining people from doing wrong, strengthen the weak so they can be strong, and I annihilate the laws of men. Ooh, long, unto the vampire world I come to put an end, yeah, Lord. Cause only righteousness Rastaman I defend, yeah, Lord. And if them below back them kingdom, Rasta broke it down again. Four corners of the earth, righteousness and there's too much dead bones in the land of the living. Some say they pray but know not whom they are praising. The time won't stop but only wicked men kingdom will be burning. With them atomic warfare and drugs and guns and nuclear weapons of mass destruction. And they won't sit around and meditate on wickedness, they all penetrate. I see blood shedding on the city, yes. The whole place under siege, with fire trucks and ambulance and sounds of police sirens. But to the vampire world, I come to put an end. It's only righteousness, Rastaman and defend. Oh. And if them be look back them castle, man I break it down again. Through the four corners of the earth, righteousness transcends.
Complexion is like the soil of the earth. So no matter what they utter, one thing that I know is that we are all beautiful people upon this plane. No make them fool you. I've got nothing to prove to anyone. My tradition and my culture is original. Black man stand firm, chanting on the shores of Africa. Listen, I got nothing to prove to anyone. With all them scientists and them historians, what I know, the underrated underdogs are truly champions. I'm talking about celestial phenomena, man in one accordance with the plants and all the animals, doing away with the thoughts that might tamper the Most High's progress. I'm giving a shout to black woman with the stamina. We love the land, she represents her purity, so dominant. She has endured so much pain, living life in a Babylon furnace. I got nothing to prove to anyone. My tradition and my culture is original. Black man stand firm, chanting on the shores of Africa. I got nothing to prove to anyone. With all them scientists and them historians, what I know, the underrated underdogs are truly champions. Yo, I'm talking about the temples of the Orthodox, standing built up on stone, up to this day in our natural past. Rasta man strong, the hotter the battle, the sweeter is the victory. I'm rocking about, giving thanks for my experience upon this musical trad with some brethren who are so serious. King Selassie, I know the love just sent is very, very good for me. I got nothing to prove to anyone. My tradition and my culture is original. Black man stand firm, chanting on the shores of Africa. I got nothing to prove to anyone. With all them scientists and them historians, what I know, the underrated underdogs are truly champions. Got to love yourself, love your skin tone. Got to love your home, you're the real home. Africa, 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 yeah. You got to love your culture and your heritage. I don't know the most, I am set the stage. Blessing to the people of Mama Land. I got nothing to prove to anyone. My tradition and my culture is original. Black man stand firm, standing on the shores of Africa. I got nothing to prove to anyone. With all them scientists and them historians, what I know, the underrated underdogs are truly champions.
Of white powder dilute them brains. Ooh, and I see people getting hooked every day on crack and cocaine. Oh. Well, I got some sense in me in my backyard. And before the informers go drag yard, I send a message to the Sarge just to let him know. Before they make him know, I've got a stock of sense in me, yeah, grooming in my backyard. Oh, herbs I have smoke, and that me a promote. Kill gram bam bam, like the man we deal with crack and smoke. Herbs I have smoke, and that me a promote. Sense in me, yeah. Hey, I stand aside and see them crack boats sinking. Many know the outcome and still because of it. Constant using of cocaine and heroin, living life without a meaning. Mr. Farmer man till this island planted, dealing of the nation get to youth they want it. Can't get addicted and you could never abuse it. Coke and crack me I beg you just refuse it. As a roots man has spoke and that me a promote. He'll grab and paralyze him and we deal with roots man has spoke and that me a promote. Me have be bound the sense in me, yeah. Constantly each day, them legalizing gay and locking up the youth with sense in me, yeah. What them a portray, me sight them pan full play, and who let in the hard drugs pan the scene, yeah. I need to mash up the youth them head, and it's a run the old place raid. Hey, I burn the herbs to all a meditation well. And within my birth sacrifice, I have to give thanks and praise. Earth man a smoke, roll on, you see it. Hey, listen, we burn the snatcher and the coke, mocha, roll on. In the 15 ounces of white powder, dilute them way. And I see so many people getting hooked on the crack and cocaine every day. Well, I got some sense in me in my backyard. And before the informers go drag yard, I send a message to the Sarge just to let him know. Before they make him know, I've got to stop a sense in me, yeah, zooming in my backyard. Hey. La 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 Lord, la 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 Lord. Every other day, one brother shot. Yeah, every other day, one brother shot. One brother. And believe me, listen, the gleaner of the stars. Rumors of war, the cleaner of the star. Tribal war. Yes, come man and man, make we live as one. But this could never be Georgia's plan. No. Cause this could never be Georgia's plan. Whoa. Every other day, one brother shot. Oh yes, every other day, one brother shot. And believe me, in the gleamer of the stars, rumors of war. In the gleaner of the stars, they use tribal war. Yes, it's time to be a little more conscious. Yes, and take life a little more serious. Yeah. Why must we be so God vicious? Yes, so vicious among ourselves. Whoa, every other day, whoa, one brother shot. Whoa, every other day,
one brother short. And look here, in the gleaner on the star, rumors of war, in the gleaner on the star, tribal war.
You could hear what the man say. True, tribal and tribal. Whoa. Gonna bring rival, you know.
Man, make we live as one. Ooh, yeah. Cause this could never be Georgia's plan now. Come man, make we live as one. Cause this could never be Georgia's plan. Every other day, one better shot.
Them not smart.
Oh Lord, every other day, one brother shot. And believe me, in the gleaner on the star, rumors of war, in the gleaner on the star, tribal war.
Seeking trouble, I would say, yeah.
Tribal war.
Tribal war is our thing
among the nations. Oh, we just can't take that way. Introducing the man country.
Wada-da-ding, wada-da-dang, ding. Wada-da-ding, wada-da-dang, ding. Look at them dread. Wada-da-ding, wada-da-da-da-ding, ding. Wada-da-ding, wada-da-da-da-ding. And if you keep on killing and you're killing and you're killing, you keep on killing and you're killing and you're killing, gonna kill out the buffalo soldier. Till you're gonna kill out the freedom fighter. Till you're gonna kill out the buffalo soldier. Till you're gonna kill out the freedom fighters. Cannot you walk in a love, cannot you talk in a love. Walk in a love and not you talk in a love. Cannot you dread is a righteous man. Singing at the dread is a conscious man. Singing at the dread is a righteous man. But I tell you not the dread is a conscious man.
Yes, my friends, love and serve about the joy. Yeah, yes, yeah. Hey, can't keep the children of the lion down. He's our Father with a triple crown. We on the lump, this slaughter, so go down. Go down, falling angel, go down. Yes, can't keep the children of the lion down. He's our Father with a triple crown. We on the lump, this slaughter, so go down. Go down, falling angel, go down. See Rastafari at the head, and him powers well dread. At the sound of his name, we side the wicked them fled. He's the lion from the east, standing firm on his feet, rightful ruler of the earth, trample and conquer the beast. He's the key to our prosperity. He's the key to our sovereignty. Can't keep the children of the lion down.
Keep us down.
He's our Father with a triple crown. We on the lump, this slaughter, so go down. Go down, falling angel, go down. Yeah. Can't keep the children of the lion down.
Can't keep us down.
He's our Father with a triple crown. We on the lump, this slaughter, so go down. Go down, falling angel, go down. In God we trust, and that is a must. Creator of all things, whom else could we trust? They'll set traps and snares, but we'll never fear. Confident our Father will cut away and clear. If you know what it's worth, you'll find joy in the Master's work. Be like a sheep to his Master's call, and I assure you, you'll never fall. The prophecy did done say that
that in the time of the end, the wicked shall have no place to rest their head. The only way out of this judgment day is to be a child of the Lion, born again through the flame. He's the key to your prosperity. He's the key to your sovereignty. Can't keep the children of the Lion down.
Can't keep us down.
He's our Father with a triple crown.
Yes, He does.
We on the lump is at the soul go down.
So go down.
Go down, falling angels, go down.
Yeah.
Lordy, Lordy, for all the tribe of Israel, ooh, we just let them know that Israel's king is Israel's God. In oneness they say, yes, I'm mad. Israel's king is Israel's God. In oneness they say, tell them I'm mad. Well now, we come to one conclusion. No more of the Babylon inspiration. I has made a resolution. It will be the Rastaman replacement. Now I know, and I know that Israel's king is Israel's God. And what they say, I must say, mad. Israel's king is Israel's God. And what they say, I must say, mad. Ooh, exalt the name of the King, come for His presence with singing. Know that He is the irate, and it's He who irate us. Now we are the sheep of His pastors, entering His gate with praise. 'Cause now I know, Lord, I know that Israel's King is Israel's God. And oneness them say, I'm mad. Yes, Israel's King is Israel's God. And oneness them say, yes, I'm mad. Ooh, we, the only one found worthy to release the 7 seals and to break their band of sound up and to set all captives free. Hail to the King, Haile Selassie, His imperial majesty. Hail to the King, Haile Selassie, and that's a power to the Trinity. 'Cause Israel's King is Israel's God. In oneness they say, I must be mad. Israel's King is Israel's God. In oneness they say, yes, I'm mad. Ooh, ooh.
If they didn't know, would play so one day the black man would rule this land, yeah. Them woulda never take away from Mama Africa. Now the hope of the world lies in the hand of a child of a slave. See them blackness where them teeth we say are crosses has now become the light of hope for the masses. Check up progression, we need a leader with discretion. Martin Luther get the vision. So let we holla, holla, holla. While on the field we put on division. Come let we holla, holla, holla. And cast away your racism. Don't let we holla, holla, holla. It's about time we live Martin's vision.
care about anyone. And all the crimes you've been committing, all the people you're deceiving, it looks like you're on a mission to be the most wanted in the land. Now you're heading for the hanging tree, hanging tree. You'll be serving life, you'll never be free. You break down everyone's defenses, now you must pay the consequences. You never eat to temptation, so you will kill out your brother, man. Lord of mercy, I hear you cry, because you know that now you're doomed to die. Hey, they lock you down in the dungeon, you shall never be released from prison. Bad boy, you're heading for the hanging tree, hanging tree. Hey, you're serving life, and you should never be free. You say that you're the number one, I hear you claim that you're the baddest man. You never listen to the Roots Man song, you don't care about no one. Yes, your time will come, bad boys, rude boy. You're the Don Gaga, yeah, but now your time has come. You should have paid attention when you were you. Hey, now, the teachings you get, they were telling you the truth, yeah. Now your time has come, bad boys, rude boys, yeah. You say you done got on, yeah. Bad boys, rude boys, oh, no.
Time. Have you heard of the new world order, trying to control mankind? Oh, please, children, be aware of the signs of times. Have you heard of the new world order, trying to destroy mankind? Don't put your trust nor your confidence in them evil systems. Cause this days we living in, the devil gonna come in disguise. So be aware of the microchip, and it's a plan to destroy mankind. So children, put your trust in the Most High and not mankind, yeah. Oh please, children, be aware of the signs of time. Have you heard of the new world order, trying to control mankind, yeah. Oh please, children, be aware of the signs of times. Have you heard of the new world order, trying to destroy mankind? And they don't care for you and me, all is on their mind is their power, yeah. And youth them losing their life every day, fighting a war for them, while they sit back relaxing, drinking their champagne, and while they stacking up them dollars, yeah. Who care? And them no care for the youths that life in high and low, in them secret society, so much corruption at one, yeah. And be aware of them lies that come from their lips, yeah. Oh please, children, be aware of the signs of time. Have you heard of the new world order, trying to control mankind? Oh please, children, be aware of the signs of time. Have you heard of the new world order, trying to destroy mankind?
righteousness, yeah, yeah. Give a little love, show a little love. That's what the world needs today. Give a little love, show a little love. Live with righteousness. Give a little love, show a little love. That's what the world needs today. Never let your brother down when you can give him a helping hand. Answer to their calling. Assist them when you can. Never say no when the children that are in need. Show them love, in that blessings you will receive. Oh, give a little love, show a little love. Live with righteousness. Oh, oh, give a little love, show a little love. That's what the world needs today. Give a little love, show a little love. Live in righteousness. Give a little love, show a little love. That's what the world needs today. We should all live with love. That's the way Rastafari planned it. While we on this road, Jah knows we must overstand it. Brother, know yourself. Oh, oh yes, Rasta. Oh yes, Rasta. Oh, Shiloh.
In psychoneurosociology, exploring addiction to see why it be. Gave them a choice between the substance and money. On a minimal scale, it was 50-50. Increase the money, they leave the substance be. Medical journal pedigree have it printed in them stationery. So money worry play a part in a dependency. However ironic that would seem to be. However ironic that would seem to be. Oh yeah, yeah. Kind words and good emanation frequency proven most beneficial in a medically. It can bring down the tone so not to riot stampede. It can reach to your soul and feel to your need. Someone can relate, bring an instant healing. A healing. Bring a healing. One hanging in the world with permission of the state and the guard. Bring a healing. Bring a healing. Bring a healing. A therapeutic walk through the soul is a talk of healing. Just a spark of meaning. Forgiveness is redeeming. A pretty bird soul mansion of closed off wing. My free one wing. Yeah, man. And then two wing. Hear this. It's just that to fly is different from walk or swim. Just free your soul before the king. The deepest of silence is listening. If fire come and visit, it's in a higher cleansing. Bring a healing. Bring a instant healing. Bring a healing. I pray for mercy to the benevolent looking of the king. Pray the vital send out fulfill reaching. All your full current still a touch and a link. If one day they should allow in spirit. In the place where healing keep on insist. Looking for negative, it's opposite. And looking to be down is a higher uplift. Serve our table with a plot of peacetime gift. Tell them I Selassie I ordered it. That leaders can feed on word, sound, strength to the people each I and I again.
Thou seated in Zion and rule equality. Break all bands of sun and set the captive. Why? Whoa, yeah. Say beat them, Selassie, I beat them. Beat them, Black Marcus, beat them. Them come a boil and we no keep them. Emmanuel no want to see them in next weekend. Beat them, Selassie, I beat them. Beat them, Black Marcus, beat them. Now you been Gilly man chant down the Eden. 12 tribe of Israel, all African kindred. These are the last days. And that me hear them a talk about. On the TV screen, every news all about. What plan for this tribe? What plan for wipe out? Some already microchip with barcode. Selassie, I ruling as Zion Rastaman step forward. Be conscious of the time you're living in, this ain't no joke. This ain't no super pro, we no come here so fi sport. Repatriation foremost. Whoa, beat them, Selassie, I beat them. Beat them, Black Marcus, beat them. Them come up a boil and we no keep them. Emmanuel no want to see them in next weekend. Beat them, Selassie, I beat them. Beat them, Black Marcus, beat them. None you been licky, get the man slew the them. 12 tribe of Israel, those are my kindred. Anton say a man in now, so we chanting for later. I not just the system, me know say them a faker. Total destruction is the worst case scenario. China get caught in a them barrier. Almighty Selassie, I'm more powerful than them. Digital analog, him set the train. Conquer Mussolini on the TV screen. Only king, we crown with a queen. Say beat them, Selassie, I beat them. Beat them, Black Marcus, beat them. Them come up a boil and we no keep them. Emmanuel no want to see them in next weekend. Beat them, Selassie, I beat them. Beat them, Black Marcus, beat them. Not a bingy flicky, get the jump and slew the Eden. 12 tribe of Israel, those are my kindred. No sisters are no home, no in the Rasta man thing. A strictly vegetarian, not a flesh to me thing. Me no bow to see it and me hail Selassie I the king. Me bless up all my sister and my brethren. So as it was from back in the beginning, when Rastaman live up in the highest of living, so shall it be. That's why me not trimming. Every ghetto youth of the heel of the king him. Beat them, Selassie, I beat them. Beat them, Black Marcus, beat them. Them come up a boil and we no keep them. Emmanuel no want to see them in next week.
Almighty Jah, Rastafari, Rastafari. When it is revealed, let us be discreet. Compassion for the weak, the backbone of any society, is still morality. They discredited any concept of deity and still require stability. So what are the foundation of your laws? Upon which you base your decree? The whole hierarchy of mute beasts of prohibitions, and there thou shalt not see. I sat on my bracket and see some man after bat. Zachariah 12 is how me see the outcome come out. No matter what how them indulging so much mat. The highest righteous order right now we go win it out flat. Most true to principle humanity watch. And enzyme the shout out and our outcry a cry out. That it's a reminder. It's a reminder. It's a reminder. It's a reminder. Universal morality is what is at stake. It's a reminder. His Majesty talk out for humanity's sake. And it's a reminder. It's a reminder. It's a reminder. In every do and a cut the lion motif is of God. Ooh, me root through the Red Sea Tabanta. You know with the ark of the covenant stand up. Mob speed through civilization of Gaza. From Petra to Lalibela is a Mosa. As South India connected the dancer. As the names tell the story of us. You know the emperor was in Jerusalem, Joseph also. 12 strands in the DNA goes. Reminder. It's a reminder. It's a reminder. It's a reminder. His Majesty goodness compel them standing in good spirit as kings and queens. Let your fortifications be seen in a red, black, gold and green. Oh yeah. Hear this. Yes. Hear this. Them soul inversion, population strategies, economy of bunks, pantropies. Them say the easy part you seen. A BT in a metaphoric similes, yeah. District I see up on the capital C. E of the land of old set them free. The children to be nativity. Aroma I in a 3 more weeks. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hear this, hear this, hear this. Jah compel them of goodness standing in good spirit as kings and queens. Let your fortifications be seen. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Cops and robbers flame pride and heat. Intense black sunlight to see. The fusions of culture at the heat. Yeah, of what the ancient visions speak. Who tell them the highly cosmic creator asleep? The children of all the earth are meet. Yeah, if someone would try to dig up all in town cemetery, it would be scandal, wagon desecration certainly. Especially if them shifting out the country. Well, what an outrage that would be brandishly. And be brandishly. The spoils of war and empirical legacy. Overtaking simple fairness and decency is strong arm, verbal, subtle. Bossing up species like worm kill out the whole root of humanity. Hey,
Oh, to Zion, I and I must march now. Russia will come again. Yeah. On to Zion we go. And I can't move can't move slow, no. Repatriation is a must, and we're going where the blessings flow. On to the land of righteousness, leaving this land of sinfulness, to where righteousness cover the earth, like water cover just seeing, yeah. Like water covering Rastafari, see. Oh yes, now, yeah. On to Zion we go, and I can't move slow, no. Rastafari lives and reigns, and we're going where the green grass grows. On to Zion we go, and I can't move slow, no, no. Repatriation is a must, and we're going where the blessings flow. Ethiopia, the land of our forefathers, the land where our gods love to be. Oh, oh, oh. Like the swift beast to the hive, so I gathered around Jaja, yeah, around Jaja, yeah. Oh yeah, on to Zion we go, and I can't move slow, no. Rastafari rules and reigns, and we're going where the green grass grows. Oh,
I wanna get you straight winds in higher, blowing through the air. It's like a natural mystic. Whoa, yes. Feel your train a blow, it blow my way. Bring some blessings today. It's a natural mystic blowing through the air, and you feel it if you are aware. Jah love is in my heart, and I grant it to my brethren today. Teach them to walk in your way. Jah, you're truly great, and they no eyes can see. That you spread your blessings all over me. Yeah, Jah, you're truly great, and you eyes can see. That you spread your blessings all over me. Almighty Jah, the road I tread is rocky, and the hills I climb are steep. But when they heard that my foot slipped, you were always there to catch me. And I'm riding on my back, baby, riding on your king's highway. And when you're counting days around me, you make me jump and shout and say, Jah, you're truly great, and you eyes can see, yes, that you spread your blessings all over me. Jah, you're truly great, and you eyes can see, yes, that you spread your blessings all over me. Hey, whoa, well, yeah. Ooh, we now, ooh, we now, yeah, see ya. You give out protection whenever it's necessary, Lord. You give me your guidance in every adversary. It's why you come unto me and open my eyes and let me see. Oh my, what am I and where I'm on to be. Jah, you're truly great, and you eyes can see. Hey, that you spread your blessings all over me. Jah, you're truly great, and you eyes can see. That you
Return is a rich
Jah people. Rasta manager, Rasta man chant boy. Whoa, chant boy, boy. Feel liberation boy. Whoa, chant boy, boy. Rasta man chant boy. Whoa, chant boy, boy. Feel liberation boy. Whoa, chant boy, boy. Whoa. But Molly rise and gone on them think we it done. Peter Tosh rise and gone on them think we it done. Jacob Miller rise and gone them think we it done. Garnet Silkim rise and gone, but look ya, Morgan family come rise. And then he rise to our uprising, Sizzler rise. And then he rise to his uprising, Luciano rise. And then he rise to his uprising, Rastafari call we so we come, Mali children rise. And then he rise to their uprising, Capleton rise. And David Oshu is uprising, Buju rise. And then he rise to his uprising, Rastafari royal children come with liberation war. Whoa, chant boy, boy. Rasta man chant boy. Whoa, chant boy, boy. Liberation boy. Whoa, chant boy, boy. Rasta man chant boy. Whoa, chant boy.
Yo, check this out.
Mr. Mountain boy.
Hey yo, a vision came to me about the liberation of the Rastaman seeds. And the truth is we can't get to be what we really want to be. Being held back by your own country. As I was taught it's best never to take less under this heavy stress. Because if I get the lower hand and you get the upper hand, tell me what the chances are of me becoming the leader that I was born to be. Systematically it's a 1 in a million chance you see. Over there, over here, the time is not a strap on the armor and the gear. Yeah, yeah, the road is hot, but I will never stop. We shouldn't have been the ones to be reaping your crop. What you think I am, I'm not. Your charges could never be dropped. There's no reward for those who turn their back on Jah.
Whoa, chant boy, boy. Feel liberation boy. Whoa, chant boy, boy. Rasta man chant boy. Whoa, chant boy, boy. Liberation boy. Whoa, chant boy, boy.
Yeah, man, I know listen. One day,
let's say we're gone, but a man in can't come to that evening.
Why them so lion, you see?
So why the wicked them are gone with them must get a beating.
And you should know, see this going and believe it.
What can't but a man in can't come to that evening.
Them say them tired and them fed up and them sister.
And the wicked them are gone with them must get a beating.
Them running back the babe and the suckling. Bad for the people till me I don't get rid. In a desolate places man I look them bird. Oh, from my barn I force me see things so trade. Life like cock and it heavy like lead. When things get rough, oh yeah, and the youth them get tough. Oh, me see them coming with them gun and bayonets and knock off. But tell them that now go walk.
What can but a man in can't come to that evening.
Why them so lion deceive?
Because the wicked them are gone with them must get a beating.
And you should know see this going and believe it.
What can but a man in can't come to that evening.
I said them tired and them fed up and their sister.
And the wicked them are gone, yes they must get a beating.
The rabbit was a beat and the soul.
They enforce upon us this division. Them church and state and religion, leading all the people in delusion, causing upon us distraction. How long do they think they could carry on with their evil intentions? Lord, oh Lord, retribution is over. What gone but a man in can't come to the evening.
they must get a beat.
The rabbit from the big and the spread a gravel is so savvy, no and plenty. While poor people pot always empty. Them and them friend they in a high society. Them not care for the youth in the city.
The poor man steals are after you.
Crying out
for all the wickedness you do. But we know there's no escape. Your judgment is bound to be great.
You know it's busy on the street, and if you need something to eat, I just see black cat in my dreams. So bright and early every morning, before the sun come rising, I take a jog and have a swim, and then I'm going on my hustling. In the middle of the square, people moving here, people over there. Well, I'm searching for juicy black, 'cause I'm in control of our bags. He's got the peanut porridge and the iris mask, the good linseed with the salsa, jerk chicken and roast fish. Hey, juicy black in the dish, yeah. The peanut porridge and the iris mask, some nice linseed with the salsa, some roast fish and cornbread. I juicy black, you know him trade. In control, marvelly, and everyone they're feeling irate. Entertainers from all over town. Juicy black jerk on them rally round.
Disaster. Kuya kuya. Disaster. Disaster. Kuya kuya. Disaster.
We say it rough in the town, rough in the town.
Say Cocotti said that it's red in the town.
Red in the town, red in the town.
Say Luciana said it red in the town. Babylon, your rivers running out of water, because you're killing all your sons and your daughter. But in the midst of all your joy and all your laughter, what a disaster.
Come on,
what a disaster.
Trying to deceive my people. 2 million years or more. Yeah.
Disaster. What a disaster.
Everything again, red in the town, red in the town.
Say Cocotti said that it's red in the town.
Rough in the town, rough in the town.
Luciana said it's red in the town.
Who visit knows there, I could never resist it. No,
because you're poisoning your reservoirs with water, contaminating your flour and your sugar. But in the midst of all your wine and booga wooga, what a disaster.
yes, yes. Let's sing the dizzy red in the town, red in the town.
Say Cocotti said that it's red in the town.
Tough in the town, rough in the town.
Luciana said it's red in the town.
4 million years or more. Still you got my mother cleaning.
Disaster. Disaster.
Rasta man gonna take it to the street.
Disaster.
And Babylon must get defeated. It's red in the town, red in the town.
Cocotti said that it's red in the town.
Tough in the town, rough in the town.
Luciana said it's red in the town. Well, I say earthquake, lightning, storm and flood. Disaster.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Disaster.
Listen, check it out. Excuse me, Coco, while the light might bring you. Africa with before I deal with the age.
Disaster. For people on the lines on the list. Disaster. I cannot resist war. So lightning, thunder, earthquake and flood. All kind of disaster when you want them you don't like. Lightning, thunder, earthquake and flood. All kind of disaster with the Babylon alone.
Holy Manuela. Why did the heat and the red, Lord, and the margin fatigues, God? Behold, comes the King's His Majesty's name, and look all the works He's been doing. Why did the heat and the red, Lord, and the margin fatigues, God? Behold, comes the King's His Majesty's name, and look all the works. He's the Prince of Peace, that's why he is asking for the wars to cease, and let more love and righteousness in the world increase. Jah is the Prince of Peace, that's why he is asking for the wars to cease, and let more love and righteousness increase, and to cut the wicked trample the beast. God, why did he eat and red, Lord, and the magic fatigues, God? Behold, comes the King's His Majesty's name, and look all the works He's been doing. Why did he eat and red, Lord, and the magic fatigues, God? Behold, comes the King's His Majesty's name, and look all the works. It's the anointed one that Jah has anointed. Come to this your fountain, drink this your living water that you will never thirst. Yeah, yes, the appointed one that Jah has anointed. Come to this your fountain, drink living water, never thirst. So chase where the heathens goes. Why did they eat and red, Lord, and the magic fatigues, God? Behold, comes the King's His Majesty's name, and look all the works He's been doing. Why did they eat and red, Lord, and the magic fatigues, God? Behold, comes the King's His Majesty's name, and look all the works. He has created the League of Nations, which today they call United Nations. They have changed the name when Mussolini came to try to fight the lamb that was slain. Now he's a fulfillment of prophecy. There is no if, whether, or maybe. He is the root of David and Solomon. He's from Melech, he's the conquering one. So
The reggae music with John, yeah. The reggae music with John, yeah. The reggae music with John, yeah.
reggae music lives.
Hear me now, by the powers of Jah I declare.
Reggae music lives.
Words of truth and the whole world I see it so clear.
Reggae music lives.
Those who spread propaganda about the music, chase them away.
Reggae music lives.
Yes, I remember tell them, so reggae music is here to stay. It's from the makers, create a foundation. Bob Marley and the Wailers, take it to the nation. Reggae music is built on a solid ground. No bad mind can tear it down. Remember a chant, now you bring it, chant for this. Chant, now you bring it, chant for this. This is the root that cannot be broken. Life everlasting is the slogan. Hear me now, by the powers of Jah I declare.
Reggae music lives.
Words of truth and the whole world I see it so clear.
Reggae music lives.
Those who spread propaganda about the music, chase them away.
Reggae music lives.
Yes, I remember tell them, so reggae music is here to stay. No high and I, we don't make a you hear, we strong like a burning spear. Them can't get me up. Heritage don't tell you. Reggae music have a healing powers and will never harm you. The whole world see and know, yeah. This music is forever lasting. Reggae music, hear me now, by the powers of Jah I declare. Reggae music lives. Words of truth and the whole world I see it so clear. Those who spread propaganda about the music chase them away. Yes, I never tell them say reggae music is here to stay. Me say who I try to fight it, hear me warn you. You will never be victorious, never. Who I try to fight it, here Gramps warn you. You will never be victorious, never. Don't get distracted by the noise in the market. Look who is plentiful on the day of harvest. Rastaman said the word, it will be reggae music. Reggae music, reggae music, yeah. Hear me now, by the powers of Jah I declare. Reggae music lives. Words of truth and the whole world I see it so clear. Reggae music lives. Those who spread propaganda about the music chase them away. Reggae music lives. Yes, I never tell them say reggae music is here to stay. Yeah, you don't know. So reggae music lives, you know. Donna Son, worldwide. So the return is here. Rock.
Shower me with blessings, yeah. Yeah, Jah bring forth on don't stop. Jah bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Let the news men write what they wanna write. Let the wicked believe what they wanna believe. Jah bring forth honey, don't stop. Now Jah bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Let the sufferer be always strong, and give dread Natty the power to be true and strong. Jah bring forth honey, don't stop. Now Jah bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Now shall be with love. We don't care for the name of Jah. We don't care for the name of Jah. Now Jah bring forth honey, don't stop. Jah bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Let them wicked believe what they wanna believe, and give dread Natty the power to be true and strong. Jah bring forth honey, don't stop. Now Jah bring forth milk and honey, don't stop. Jah bring forth honey, don't stop. Jah.
Who to be conscious?
Them will try everything.
Everything, yeah.
Just to hold you down.
Just to hold it down.
Down. So yeah.
Rockers.
We are warriors. The system can't hold us down. We are warriors. Jack all the chains, we're free to move around. We are warriors. Never plan to the games they play, so we're doing everything one way. Yahweh. We are warriors. Jah love, we come to take you down. We are warriors. Every soul this train is freedom bound. We are warriors. Reggae music, the sound
victory.
Soldier.
Can understand we're gonna make it. They got to face it. Stay on the battlefield, we're gonna take it. And we won't stand by complacent. Living adjacent to Babylon's wicked displacement.
No way.
Chanting with the fire, burning bars of steel. Till the little brother bourgeois out of jail.
No.
If you not see it first, then you're gonna feel that we are warriors for real.
We are warriors. The system can't hold us down. We